Favorite natin na chicken every time kapag pumunta tayo dito sa Mercury area. Pinalagyan ko siya ng
Every step I take is bliss, putting my own soul to the test. Good things chase me, I don't run. My new chapter has begun. I feel strong, I feel centered, I feel calm. A world I've entered. I feel blessed, and I am right. Today is my new story. Everything is working for me. Blessings fall down from the sky in the most amazing way. Oh my, today I'm in my power.
Nakaluto lang.
There's a flower.
Mainit-init pa.
Just like a river, cosmic energy, the giver. My vibrations getting high. Everything